Good evening, everyone. Today my story shall be about, or a review shall be about the portable aircon which I bought from Lazada, on Lazada. This was at the time when I had my aircon leaking and I had no repairman come over because of the pandemic. They won't come over, so my other alternative was, in an emergency, was to buy one, and this is what I did. I bought it through Lazada, and the item arrived 2 days later. Very fast delivery, very good. So this video shall show you the unboxing, and later why I returned the unit. Now let me show you the video on my unboxing of the portable aircon and subsequent return to the supplier via Lazada. Okay, now you can see when I bought that unit, there was nothing mentioned inside the brochure that this unit did not have an auto swing function. Now that was, to me, that was silly, because most aircons now come with a swing function. It is a basic function in any aircon unit. To not have this but shown in the remote control and in the manual was a really boo-boo, and it was misleading to me. This was the reason why I had to return the unit, because an aircon that doesn't swing, the airflow is like something is missing. You cannot circulate the whole room with the cool air as you wish in which direction. So this was the reason why I returned it back to Hisense via Lazada. Next time, if you want to buy anything electricals on Lazada, please, or from any electrical supplier, please do keep the box for about a week. This was reminded to me by the previous supplier. They said that it is best to keep the box itself intact for 1 week in case you have any difficulties with the electrical item you purchase. Then you don't have to worry about finding a box to return it back properly. Any returns to the supplier, they will like to have you return the item back in its original packing and, if possible, the original box. Okay, this ends my video. So I hope you found the information entertaining, the video entertaining and informative, and that you have benefited from some form of information from this video. Till my next video, I will see you. Bye.